Hello students, today we are going to see about chapter 2 linear equations in one variable exercise 2.1. So in this first 5 problems we are going to solve in this video. So what is the question? Solve the following equations and check your results. So we have to solve the equation as well as we have to check the result. Okay. So what is the first problem? The first problem is they have given 3x equal to 2x plus 18. Okay. So as we have discussed in the example, first write your equation as it is. 3x is equal to 2x plus 18 and take the variables in one side, the numbers in the another side. So 3x, here take 2x to the left hand side, so it is minus 2x which is equal to, here the value is 18. So now what is 3x minus 2x? It is x. X is equal to 18. So that's all with the solution. So we have solved, and here they asked to check the results also. So we need to check the result. So how to check the result? Take your left hand side. Okay. So what is in the left hand side? It is 3x. Substitute your x value. So 3 into 18. Right. So what is 3 8s are? It is 24. So 2 in the power. So 3 1s are 3 plus 5, it is 54. Okay. So left hand side value, it is 54. So similarly we have to find out what is there in the right hand side. Right hand side from the equation it is 2x plus 18. So 2x plus 18. So 2 into wherever I have x we have to substitute 18. So 18 plus 18 I have. Okay. And here 2 into 8 is 16. So here power 1. So 2 1s are 2. 2 plus 1 is nothing but 3. So 36 plus 18. So what is 36 plus 18? We have 8 plus 6 is 14. And we have 1 balance. So 3 plus 1 is nothing but 54. Okay. So when you see this value is also 54, this value is also 54, right? So I can say that left hand side is equal to right hand side. Okay. Hence it is verified. Hence your results are verified. Okay. So coming to the next problem. We have second problem as 5t minus 3 which is equal to 3t minus 5. Okay. So write your equation as it is first. 5t minus 3 which is equal to 3t minus 5. Take your t values in one side. So 5t, here 3t becomes minus 3t and minus 5 write as it is. Minus 3 will become plus 3 when it goes to right hand side. 5t minus 3t, it is 2t and minus 5 plus 3. So subtract. Okay, so minus 2. So what it is? T? T is minus 2 by 2 which is nothing but minus 1. So we have determined that t value is nothing but minus 1. So apart from that we have to check the result also. So check the result. Take your left hand side. What is in the left hand side? We have 5t minus 3 which is nothing but 5 into, what is t here? T is nothing but minus 1. So minus 1 minus 3 I have, which is nothing but minus 5. 5 into minus 1 is minus 5, minus 3 which is nothing but minus 8. And what about your right hand side? Right hand side it is 3t minus 5. So 3t minus 5. So wherever I have t I have substitute minus 1 and I have minus 5. So 3 into minus 1 is minus 3. Here it is minus 5 which is nothing but minus 8. So when we compare left hand side and right hand side, it is both are equal. So therefore LHS is equal to RHS and we can say that hence it is verified. Okay. And then the third problem is 5x plus 9 which is equal to 5 plus 3x. Okay. So here again we need to write the equation first. 5x plus 9 which is 5 plus 3x. Take your x variables in one side, values in the another side. So 5x, when 3x goes to the left hand side, it is minus 3x. Here 5 will be there as it is, plus 9 will become minus 9 in the right hand side. 5x minus 3x is 2x. 5 minus 9 is nothing but minus 4. So x value, it is nothing but minus 4 by 2. So in two tables we can cancel out 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Here we have minus, so it is minus 2. So we have determined that x is equal to minus 2. So we can check the result. When checking the result, take your left hand side of the given problem. The given problem, it is 5x plus 9. Wherever I have x, substitute it as minus 2. So 5 into minus 2 and plus 9. So it is minus 10 plus 9, which is nothing but minus 1. And what about the right hand side? Right hand side, it is 5 plus 3x. So 5 plus 3x, which is nothing but 5 plus 3 into minus 2. So it is 5, 3 into minus 2 is minus 6, we have minus 1. So both your left hand side and right hand side are equal. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS, and we can say that it is verified. Okay, and then coming to the next problem, we have 4z plus 3, which is equal to 6 plus 2z. Again the same concept, take your variables in one side, values in another side. So 4z plus 3 is equal to 6 plus 2z. Take variables to the left hand side, 4z minus 2z, which is equal to 6. Take the values to the right hand side, minus 3. 4z minus 2z is nothing but 2z. 6 minus 3 is nothing but a 3. So I can write that z is equal to 3 by 2. Okay, so here z is equal to 3 by 2, and we can check the result. While checking the result, take your left hand side, 4z plus 3, which is equal to, so wherever I have z, I have to substitute it as 3 by 2. So 4 into 3 by 2 plus 3. Okay, so here two tables we can apply. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 6 plus 3 is nothing but 9. And then coming to the right hand side, we have 6 plus 2z, which is nothing but 6 plus 2 into 3 by 2. Again 2 2 get cancelled, 6 plus 3 is nothing but 9. So both your left hand side and right hand side are equal. So I can say that LHS is equal to RHS, and hence it is verified. Okay, and then coming to the next problem, we have 2x minus 1, which is equal to 14 minus x. So again, write the problem as it is and take the variables in one side. 2x, here it is minus x. When it comes to the left hand side, it becomes plus x. Here I have 14 minus 1. When it comes to the right hand side, it becomes plus 1. 2x plus x is 3x, and 14 plus 1 is 15, and x is equal to 15 by 3. So apply the 3 table, 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15. So 5 by 1 is 5. So x is equal to 5. We can write as it is. And then while checking the problem, take your left hand side. Left hand side is 2x minus 1. So write your left hand side as it is, and wherever I have x, I have to replace it by 5. So 2 into 5 minus 1. So 10 minus 1, which is nothing but a 9. And then take your right hand side. So right hand side is 14 minus x. So 14 minus 5, again 14 minus 5 is nothing but 9. So both your left hand side and right hand side are equal. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. Hence, the given problem is verified. Okay. So 6th to 10th problem we can see in the next video. Thank you. Thanks for watching.